If you're tired of seeing those relentless notifications and pop-ups every time you open Adobe Acrobat, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable most in-app messages and alerts inside Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader. By the end of this tutorial, you'll enjoy a cleaner, less distracting workspace, so you can focus on the documents and not the notifications. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader on your computer. You can use whichever version you have installed. Just make sure it's the one you use regularly. Now, we're aiming to change the app's notification settings, and for that, we need to access the Preferences window. If you're on Windows, click Edit up at the top menu. If you're on a Mac, it'll say Acrobat in your menu bar. From there, select Preferences. And here's a quick shortcut for you. Hit Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac, and the Preferences box will pop right up. That can save you a few clicks if you're doing this often or just want to get there quickly. Once Preferences is open, look over to the left sidebar. There's a list of categories in there. Find and click on the one called General. This is where Adobe sticks a lot of the basic options, including message settings that control what pops up when you use the program. Now, scroll down a bit until you see a section labeled Messages from Adobe. There's a checkbox right there for Show me messages when I launch Adobe Acrobat. Go ahead and uncheck this box. What this does is stop Adobe from sending you those little marketing messages and tips that often appear the moment you open the app. If you've ever wondered why you're seeing an ad for a feature you never use, this is the culprit. By turning it off, your Acrobat workspace will load quietly, no interruptions. But depending on which version of Acrobat you're running, there may be more notification options. Adobe updates these settings pretty often, so it's worth taking a moment here. In newer versions, you might notice another category called Notifications in the left menu of Preferences. If you spot it, click there. Inside, you'll see additional settings like Show Notification Icon in System Tray, or Show Notification inside Adobe Acrobat. Unchecking these options can further reduce the clutter, so you're not seeing extra icons or getting pop-ups while working. It doesn't take long, but pay attention to each box. Some people like having system notifications for updates or sharing features, but if you prefer peace and quiet, just turn them off. Once you're happy with your selections, click the big OK button at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your changes. This part might seem simple, but it's crucial. If you close the window without saving, the settings won't stick. Now, I recommend you restart Adobe Acrobat to make sure the notification changes actually take effect. It's a small step, but sometimes these preferences don't activate until you've completely closed and reopened the program. After restarting, you should see a noticeable drop, or even a total disappearance, of those pop-ups and alerts. And that's it. With these settings adjusted, you'll enjoy a much less distracting Adobe Acrobat experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. Your feedback means a lot. Drop a comment if you have any questions about notifications, or if there's another feature you'd like me to cover. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.